Hello everyone, so today I'll be cleaning this set of headlights from a 2003 Audi A6, and as you can see they're actually pretty dusty. This is obviously just from driving the car around. The headlights have been on the sun for quite some time, so I'm hoping that I can clean them up pretty good. So now I start by using Tuff Stuff. Now this stuff they sell at your local auto part place or even Walmart. So I sprayed it over, left it sitting for about 30 seconds, and I went ahead and started scrubbing it with a small brush just to try to get every little crevice, every little space, so everything looked as clean as it could. Now I decided not to use the water hose or the pressure washer on this back portion just because since it's disconnected, I didn't want to risk getting water inside the lens. So went ahead and just scrubbed everything, even underneath it, just to be sure that everything looked as good as it could. Now I was careful with all the connections and everything else, so that way there would be no risk of getting water or any moisture trapped in there. Once I was done scrubbing all this in, I went ahead and I wiped it down with the microfiber just to dry everything and be sure that everything was as good as it could be. So that way I can prepare for the next step. Now on the next step, I actually decided to use this TR3 stuff that I actually bought on a local O'Reilly. This stuff is actually amazing. I was very impressed with the quality and the results that I got. You can actually use this with by hand. In my case, I decided to use the machine just to ease out the work a little bit. I went over for about 30 seconds, then I wiped it down and then went over one more time. It did not take very long. It was actually very simple to even take off. So it actually came out really good. Once I was done with everything, I actually decided to go with a little bit of ceramic coating. This step I did not show due to the fact that I did it a few hours afterwards, but I'll show you some close-ups of how it looked actually when it was completely done. So now this is after I did the ceramic coating. I also used a little bit of tire dressing on the back portion just to make sure that the black looked a little bit better. So now these are actually ready to be hooked up. As you can see, both of the lenses came out really good. It actually cleaned up very easily. It might have taken me like 20 or 30 minutes to do both of the headlights, and I only used those two products, so it was very simple. I believe that anybody can do this in their own garage. So the results are awesome, so I hope you guys enjoy and hope you can do it too. Thank you.